Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we're going to create an amazing two-player game in Scratch. I like to call it Light Fingers Game. Cool name, right? Alright, let's dive right in. For this game, we'll need two hand sprites, one for the red player and one for the blue player. Each hand will have two costumes, one with a short hand and one with a long hand. We'll also need two buttons to control the movement of the hands. And of course, we'll need a germ and a lid to cover it. Cool! Now let's get started with the coding. When the game starts, we want the lid to sit right on top of the germ. So first, let's position the lid properly. Drag a go-to block and place the lid where you want it. Nice! Now, let's add a when green flag clicked block above that go-to block, so the lid goes to that spot every time the game starts. Next, we want the lid to move up slowly, revealing the germ. So after the go-to block, add a glide block. Glide it up to the position you want. Let's test it out. Looks great. To make it smoother, we can add a wait 1 second before gliding. And after gliding, we don't want to see the lid anymore, right? So let's add a hide block at the end. Wait a minute. Where did the lid go? We forgot to make it show up at the start. So just add a show block at the top. Now the lid appears when the game starts. Nice work! Now let's code our blue hand. First, we'll set its starting position. Add a when green flag clicked block and a go-to block to fix the position. At the start of the game, make sure the hand shows the shorthand costume. Perfect! Let's do the same thing for our red hand. Just remember to change the X and Y positions a little so it sits on the opposite side. Cool! Both hands are ready. Now we'll make the hands move. We want the hand to glide toward the germ and then glide back to its original position. So grab two glide 1 second blocks, one forward and one backward. Add a wait 0.5 seconds in between for a smoother movement. When the hand moves toward the germ, we can switch to the long hand costume to make it look like it's stretching. Awesome! But when should this happen? When we click the button, right? So go to the blue button sprite and add a when this sprite clicked block. Since the button doesn't actually move, it just needs to send a message. Add broadcast blue can take. That will trigger the blue hand's movement. Now go to the blue hand sprite and add when I receive blue can take and place the hand movement code under it. Nice! Do the same for the red hand. Just make sure to change the X and Y values for the red side. And in the red button, change the broadcast to red can take. Then in the red hand, set the trigger to when I receive red can take. Perfect! Next, after the hand reaches the germ, we want the lid to come back down and cover it again. So in the blue hand code, after the movement, add broadcast, come back lid by blue. And in the red hand code, add broadcast, come back lid by red. Now let's go to the lid sprites code. We can duplicate the same lid movement code twice. One triggered by comeback lid by blue and the other by comeback lid by red. Cool! Let's test that out. Alright. Now it's time to add some scoring. When a hand touches the germ, that player should get a point. So go to the germ sprite and create two variables, blue point and red point. At the start of the game, add a when green flag clicked block, then set both variables to 0. Now add a forever block. Inside it, add an if condition. If touching blue hand, change blue point by 1 and hide the germ. And another if for the red hand. If touching red hand, change red point by 1 and hide the germ. We should also hide the germ at the start of the game. So after when green flag clicked, add a hide block. But when do we show it again? Exactly, when the lid opens. So go back to the lids code, and after it moves up, add a broadcast, show germ. Then in the germs code, add when I receive show germ, show. Let's test everything out. Hands move, lid opens and closes, points update. Looks awesome! So that's it, Supercoder. You just created your very own Light Fingers game in Scratch. See you soon with another exciting project. Until then, happy coding, and bye!